I know I'm usually not in my regular setup, but today I really want to show you guys how I do my makeup that I do every day, kind of for a mascara of the... and yeah, so starting off first, so we're gonna use a touch of Silk Canvas. This makeup usually takes me like 10 minutes to do, so I usually only put it right here on my nose area, my T-zone, I guess. Like that. I don't know why I'm rushing right now, but I'm really gonna try to hike today, you guys, cause bitch, I've been trying to hike my man's dick. Okay, I'm sorry. And then, for foundation, I have been using La Mer, the Soft Fluid Long Wear Foundation. I use 2 pumps, and usually I like to like spread it first with my fingers, like so. And we're gonna let it burn, 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 burn. We're gonna let it burn, burn, burn. We don't gotta wait for nothing, 'cause we got the fire. What the fuck am I doing? Everybody one hell of something. Hey, you're gonna see us from outer space, light it up. Oh my god, bitch. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm literally so bad. But you gonna blend this everywhere, girl. And then now we're gonna be using a Makeup Forever concealer. This one is the Ultra HD. I'm literally using a fucking duct tape to hold my phone on the mirror. Okay. And blend that shit out. While I'm blending, guys, please don't forget to vote for me for People's Choice Awards. Beauty Influencer of the motherfucking year. The fuck? You don't need to see me blend everything out. And now you got this. And now you're gonna take some powder and you're gonna set that area. Bitch. I like to fucking pound that shit in, dog. Like, fucking... Ooh, that fucking hurt my nose. Okay. Now that we got that, we are going to be setting the rest of our face using Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish at shade number 3. Some brush or whatever. And we're just stamping that fucker in, dog. Ever motherfucking beach style. Just fucking stamped up. And then I'm gonna take shade number 2 and we're kind of just like fixing the line. You know what I mean? This side. I know y'all see that. I know y'all see that. Y'all motherfucking see that. Okay, so for the brows, this is a little bit technical, so I'm gonna kind of do it off camera, but I just kind of like, you know how this side doesn't have like a tail like that. I just like to mimic that. So BRB, just remember this, okay? That's on period. And then lastly, but not the motherfucking leastly, bitch, the fuck? We're gonna do, I'm so sorry. I really do not know why I speak like that sometimes. Like, it just comes in me. Yeah. Wait, actually, this is not the last step. The fuck? I'm tripping. Blush. I like to add... It's a lot of blush. Anyways, we're gonna spray. And then, obviously, we're gonna put some lip balm. And now, I'm ready for mascara of the... Welcome to episode 14 of Mascara of the Day. Today's Mascara of the Day, we have Rimmel Scandalized Wow Wings. Wow Wings, she said. Wow Wings. This is what... Ooh. She's giving me spooky ookie wookie vibes. Bitch! Oh my god, I can already see clump and it's only been 2 swipes. This is spooky. Gosh. This shit sucks! I'm not even gonna put my bottom lashes in the trauma that this has given me. What in the fuck? This is 2 layers, y'all. And I always do 2 layers. What in the actual fuck? What in the fuck? What in the fuck? What the fuck? I would give Rimmel Scandalized Wow Wings a negative fucking 2, bitch. I do not understand what I did to this for this disrespect. Bitch, let me just pinch it together to show y'all. What the fuck? What the fuck? Hideous. Let me just go ask my man about this because, babe.
Yeah.
Can you please check my lashes?
What the fuck is that?
What would you score this out of 10?
Like a -3?
That's exactly what I thought.